Introducing Bard, Google's Chatgpt competitor. Written by LiquidOcelot. Introduction. Google is shaking up the chatbot landscape with the introduction of their new chatbot Bard. As a direct competitor to the popular ChatGPT platform, Bard is powered by Google's own language model for dialogue applications Lambda and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with automated conversations. In this blog post, we'll take a closer look at Bard and show you how to get access and how it works. What is Bard? Google recently announced its AI-powered chatbot platform Bard. Only a few days earlier, Google CEO Sundar Pichai gave a status report on the business on an earnings call. Prior to the call, Google management referred to ChatGPT as code red since the AI-powered platform had received favorable response from users all over the world. Google said in a blog post that it is making Bard available to trusted testers ahead of making it broadly available to the public in the coming weeks. A chatbot driven by AI named Google Bard can react to a variety of questions in a ChatGPT-like conversational style. Google asserts that Bard delivers insightful, quick solutions using online data. Lambda, the brain of Google's chatbot, is a linguistic model created using a transformer neural network architecture. It is surprising to learn that ChatGPT is built on the transformer-based GPT-3 language model. In 2017, Google Research produced Transformer and made it open source. Select users presently have access to Google Bard, but the general public cannot. A far more energy-efficient, lightweight model version of Lambda is being created by Google. Google has been working on its language model for a while, but the company stopped its public publication after one of its employees made accusations. How to get access to Bard? In order to compete with ChatGPT, Google has released Bard, which makes use of its own language model for dialogue applications Lambda. Select users presently have access to Google Bard, but the general public cannot. In a blog post, Google stated that it is releasing Bard to trusted testers before making it generally accessible to the public in the upcoming weeks. A far more energy-efficient, lightweight model version of Lambda is being created by Google. To apply for access to Bard, you need to wait for the Google Bard AI tool to register or sign up before beginning. You can join the Bard program right here, bard.google.com. Please note that currently it is only available for people from US and UK. Update. As of now, which is the 29th of April 2023, anyone all over the world can join the Bard program, and even I have tested it myself being from the country of Pakistan.